Okay, so find the slope of the line passing through the 2 points. So, how to get the slope given 2 points? Using the formula of slope, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or y sub 1 minus y sub 2 all over x sub 1 minus x sub 2. Okay, recall that the slope is the rate of change, that is the vertical change over the horizontal change. Now, let point 5, 2 be the first point. So, meaning 5 is x sub 1 and 2 is y sub 1. And negative 2, negative 3 is the second point. So, it follows that negative 2 is x sub 2 and negative 3 is y sub 2. Now, applying the formula, so y sub 2 is negative 3 minus the value of y sub 1, which is 2. Then all over negative 2 minus x sub 1, which is 5. And then simplify. So negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5 over negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Therefore, that one, so dividing negative by negative numbers is equal to positive. So this one, the slope is equal to 5 over 7. Okay, next, let's have another example. So again, let 1/2, 1/3 be the first point. And the second point is negative 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So again, apply the formula. So y sub 2 is 5 over 6 minus y sub 1, which is 1/3. Then all over x sub 2 is negative 2/3 minus x sub 1, which is 1/2. Okay, simplify the fraction. Okay, so again, this is a complex fraction. Simplify the numerator and the denominator and then simplify. So first, get the LCD of the numerator. So 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 5 is 5. And then minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. Then over, okay, denominator, so multiply negative 2 times negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and then 3 times that negative 1 is negative 3, and then 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So therefore, simplify. So 5 minus 2 is 3 over 6. Then all over negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7 all over 6. Again, this is a complex fraction. Simplify this by getting the reciprocal of the denominator and proceed to multiplication. So that is 3 over 6 times. The reciprocal of this one is equal to negative 6 over 7. And then cancel 6 and 6. That one, so this one becomes 1, 1. Therefore, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then 1 times 7 is 7. Therefore, the slope is negative 3 over 7. Okay, let's have another example. Find the slope of y is equal to 3x minus 1/2 times the quantity of x minus 4. Now, in this case, the given is an equation. So how to find the slope of this line? So first thing, we need to simplify the given equation. So y is equal to 3x minus 1/2 times the quantity of x minus 4. Now, to get rid from fraction, multiply the whole equation by the LCD, okay, which is 2, and then simplify. So 2 times y is 2y equals 2 times 3x is equal to 3x. And then 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1 multiplied by x minus 4. So simplify further by using the distributive property in here. So that is 2y is equal to 6x. So negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. And then combine like terms. So that is 2y is equal to 5x plus 4. Now, to get the slope of this line, change this equation in general form or in standard form. Recall that the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals 0, while the standard form is ax plus by equals c. Now, I'm going to use this one, 2y is equal to 5x plus 4. So, transform this equation in general form. So, add negative 2y on both sides of the equation. So, that one is, so negative 2y plus 2y is 0 equals 5x minus 2y plus 4. Now, to get the slope of this line, use the formula of slope, which is equal to negative a over b. Okay? Now, for 5x minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Okay, let's first identify the values of a and b. So, a now is the numerical coefficient of x, which is 5, and b is the numerical coefficient of y, which is equal to negative 2. Now, substitute the values of a and b. So, negative, where a is 5, so negative times positive 5 equals negative 5 over the value of b, which is equal to negative 2. So, therefore, negative 5 divided by negative 2 is equal to 5 halves, which is the slope of the line. Now, there is another method to find the slope given an equation using the slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope. So, using 5x, or instead that, use this one, 2y, using 2y, this one, 2y is equal to 5x plus 4. So, divide both sides by 2 since we're looking for the value of y. So, that one cancel. So, y now is equal to 5 halves x plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay, 5 halves here is the value of the slope. So, therefore, m is equal to 5 halves, which is similar to the first method. Without graphing, determine if the given points are collinear. Okay, first let's define what is collinear. Points are collinear if and only if the points lie on the same line. At the same time, they have the same slope. Now, so meaning, to determine if these points are collinear, we are going to get the slope. Now, let point 1, 2 be point A. Point B is 2, 3. And point C is 4, 5. So, let's first find the slope of AB. Okay, the points are 1, 2 and 2, 3. Let's say this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, compute for the slope. So, 3 minus 2 over 2 minus 1, and then simplify. So 3 minus 2 is 1, over 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So therefore, the slope of AB is equal to 1. Next, find the slope of points BC. Okay, points BC, we have point 2, 3, and point C is 4, 5. So find the slope of these points. Okay, let's say this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So that is 5 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. So that one is 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. So therefore, the slope of BC is equal to 1. Or find the slope of points AC, where point A is 1, 2, and point B is 4, 5. So find the slope of BC. AC. Sorry, this one is point C. Okay. So find the slope of point AC. So that is 5 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. So 5 minus 2 is 3 over 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, the slope of AC is equal to 1. Now, since slope of AC is equal to the slope of BC, which is also equal to the slope of AC, therefore, the 3 points are collinear. Okay, the 3 points are collinear.